Okay guys, today I'm gonna be replacing the driver side signal light right here. That's gonna be I gotta take this bolt. It's gonna be a 10 millimeter right here, and that's gonna be like half. All right, let's do this. Let's take it out and let's replace it real quick. Okay, I got this one out of here, place it right here, and I got the 10 millimeter bolt right here. Well, I'm gonna place them right there. I got these two out of here. Now I gotta take this part right here. Okay, I got it out, and then I'm gonna put my hand in there to take that signal light out. Okay, you see my hand? I'm gonna put it right here, slide it right here, and then I'm just gonna turn it around. I got it real carefully, not, and then check it out. And then if you wanna replace it, just put the new one in there. Okay, I'm gonna show you how. You see right here, just press it and turn it to the left and take it out. Same way, press it to the right, and that's secure right there. All right, let's put it on. This way, you see the little thing right here. Just push it, just twist it. Okay, just twist it, and then now let's see if this light is working. All right, let's see. Okay, let's see if the light is working. Yeah, my light is working perfectly fine. That's how you do it. And then just put this back in here. Gotta press it real hard, and then just put the screws back. Okay, now I'm just gonna put the screws back same way right here, and the other one is somewhere. Okay, this one is good. Now we're gonna tight this one up. Okay, we got this one ready. All right, that's how you replace your signal light driver side. All right, thanks for watching.